Ratchet doing right now?
This is an ocean.
Pretty cool, right? And just think, once we forge this thing and save the dimension, you'll have a whole universe to explore.
How are you not afraid of the future? With all of its unknowns.
I do get, well, you asked me on Savali if I wanted to find my family. For a long time, I did. I mean, I really did. But the closer I got to doing that, what if they're not what I expected? What if I'm not what they expected? Anyways, I think we're here.
Kadaro Station houses the Emperor's most secret research, including the only Rubion forge strong enough to build the Dimensionator.
So it's our only shot. Good to know.
Crazy Emperor! Our protein cube delivery has arrived.
No, that is the longest!
Elevator is descending.
That better not be the only way into the station.
Approach the target with caution. It is time. I hope you do not mind.
Guess we're not getting in the front door with this lockdown.
Can we look around? There must be another way in. That is Blizon, a common element for storing energy. But why does it look so... I knew it! The Blizon must have absorbed the excess energy released by the dimensional chaos. We have shifted into another dimension.
An abandoned dimension from the looks of it. The elevator's here.
If it helps, Ratchet, I have never met my family either. Unless you count the Emperor. In which case, you cannot do any worse.
Probably not. But even if the Lombaxes are the best family ever, they could still be disappointed in me.
How? You are a hero.
I've hit a few bad guys, sure, but they invented so many brilliant things.
You sell yourself short.
Maybe, but I have a good life in my dimension, Kit, and I don't want to risk it. Speaking of risk, if Kadaro Station exists in this dimension, do you think the Rubion Forge does too?
Possibly. But with the state of everything here, who knows if it would work?
Maybe our best bet then is to find some more Blizon and head back to the other dimension. door's locked. Let's keep moving.
Juicy! Sorry. I thought you were someone else, but you're not.
Is he okay?
I'm Ratchet.
Oh, that is great. Hello, Ratchet. Were you looking for me? That would be great, too. Ooh, can I call you Chet?
No. And no. I'm looking for some Blizon.
Oh, I know just the place. But I lost my access arm in all of this water. Have to drain it, but how, Ratch? How?
Calm down. I'll handle it.
If the room is prone to flooding, they would likely keep the pump controls somewhere high.
You did not ask for it, but my name is Junkbot. In case you're interested. I know I am.
Pleasure to meet you, Junkbot. This is Kit.
Hello.
Hey, kids. So why do you two need that feedback?
We're trying to get into another dimension to use their Rubion Forge.
Oh, we have one here. It's too bad it has not worked in forever. It can make the funnest squares.
So, is that access arm like some kind of key?
If by key you mean a way to easily and safely press buttons, then yes.
What?
But please on. Oh, there is an elevator that will take us to one of those delightfully glowy crystals right up ahead.
What is that?
That is Juice, my best friend. He tries to kill me sometimes, but he is a great listener.
He tries to kill you?
You become friends too. You can call him Juicy or Juicy or JC. Oh, that is a swell nickname. See? Elevator. Bam! Now let me just press the button with the old access arm. No, my access arm, it no longer works. It is just an arm now. What kind of madness is... Oh, right, power is out. We just need to find a way to turn it back on.
Leave it to us, Junkbot.
Okay, I will just stay down here and watch you. What are you doing here?
That's actually a funny story.
Was I talking to you?
You are talking to me.
We are under lockdown. How did you and your steed get in here?
I am inspecting your facility and how white it is and orange because I am an interior decorator, first class. And the Emperor wanted this redecoration to be a surprise for you and your team. But now, you ruined it.
I would never do that to the Emperor. Please come in and consider my memory banks deleted.
Nice save, Decorator Kit. What do we do now?
Conversing with the researchers could help decrease suspicion. Or we can head straight to the Forge's controls and make the Dimensionator.
Looks like the Forge's controls are right up on that platform.
It was incredible. Great to watch. Sure. Okay.
Schematics uploaded.
What do we got? Uh-huh. I see.
Are you winging this?
Come on.
You ran the forge with auxiliary power only? The main power button was right there!
Ah, just running a stress test. Let me see. Yes, everything is breaking correctly.
Let's get out of here before...
Get those charlatans!
Greetings, intruders. Let us escort you to the biology wing.
Why did the forge not work?
I guess it wasn't fully powered? But that other button didn't look right.
You said you were not winging this.
I'm not. I'm intuiting it. Security's everywhere. We gotta get out of here.
What about the Dimensionator?
We'll figure something out.
I do so love it when they fight back. Explosives inbound.
There's nothing in this room. Gotta keep moving.
Interior decorators! How could you fall for such a stupid? They didn't even have licenses! We need that Lumbax found immediately. If he spoils my victory any further. Make a nice mouth. Get that Lumbax!
That won't be the last of them. We need to find a way to escape.
What if we use Blizon?
Good. You know, for some reason, the dimension where the whole station's searching for us keeps looking better and better.
At least they have the lights on there.
What's that sound?
Just keep moving. Ratchet, I do not see Blizon anywhere. The only place left to look is through the next blast door. But it seems very locked.
What if we follow those cables above us? Maybe we can power down the locks.
I think you are right. This time.
Error. Biohazard detected.
Huh?
Amoeboids! Not again!
He's right there!
Biohazard resolved. Systems online.
That is... Oh, That computer just turned on. Can we take a look? There is a research log. Let us watch.
Pilot log released. Resuming playback on station log.
Come here! Come here! Okay, look out past the reef. I just saw it playing around and look! You see it? How does it swim like... Oh! Is that a hello? Wait, what are you guys doing? You're hurting it! Stop! Stop this right now! Stop!
That was Jumpbot?
And I think he was talking about juice. Let's get up!
Stop shooting and run!
The door's not opening!
The window! Try the window!
Weapons don't even faze him!
Ratchet, are you okay?
Yeah. Luckily, my O2 filtrator still works. Hadn't tested it in years.
Ratchet, I have been thinking about what you said earlier about the Lombaxes and risking a good life. I had a good life on Savali. It was peaceful, quiet, even joyful. So when you asked to become partners, I did not want to risk things either. But I am glad I did.
Thanks, Kit. That means a lot. But I'm just not sure
It is okay. Now I can be the one who believes in you. Settling towards us. Oh. Up ahead, an airlock.
Okay. Come on!
The Bleezon. He wants to come with us.
Any place is better than here, right? Maybe he can help us power the forge after all. Still with us, Juice?
Come on. The Rubion Forge is upstairs.
Come on, JC! It is me! Good old JB!
Wow.
uploaded.
Did it work? Woo! Yes! We did it, kid! You are a good partner.
No problem. Come back soon, Ratchets and Kittles.
Thanks, and will do. Junkie?
Come up with junkies. It's definitely not thinking. Whoa, man. Goodbye, Junkbot. Hello, Junkie.
Clank! Rivet! We built the Dimensionator!
No way! Wait, we?
I knew you could do it. We have obtained the phase quartz as well.
Yeah, meet us at Zerky so we can build this thing.
Oh. How do I meet someone?
What are you talking about? You met me, and that went great.
I fell off the archives in front of you and screamed. A lot.
True. I don't know, just be friendly and open. And don't overthink it.
Don't overthink it. Okay.
You? Please, just stop.
What's going on with Rivet?
Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right.
Nice work finding those spy bugs. 5 more and Miss Zerpa will build killer weapons with no equal.
What's it? Hey.
Hey! Yes, hi. I have Clank.
Oh, pal.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you. Me too.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
you want to,
Thank you.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
How many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing? The ground's bloody destroying them to pieces. And the one, the only, Nefarious enters the arena.
Ready, kick! Ready.
Another Lombax! Ah, good thing I don't lose in this dimension.
We'll see about
You think you're so tough? Let's turn up the heat! Why must Lombaxes be as adaptable as they are insufferable? Just fall already! And let me enjoy my reign!
This is not looking good. I've got it covered. I'm totally fine. What did you do with the Emperor?
I never met the guy. Because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
I will not let you or Ratchet or Clank or whoever that is on your back take my newfound glory away from me. Tough crowd. How about a change of scenery? Two against one isn't fair, so this one's on my team.
Nice, Grunthor! Are we on Sargasso?
Yep, this is where I'm... Funny story. Wait, maybe I should focus.
Now you just chatting? Fine. Pretend I'm not a threat. I'll show you. Besides, your Emperor, more brilliant and powerful than ever. Send you into the heart of a supernova. This is your supernova. Why aren't these buttons labeled?
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet. One of my adoring fans. Enough of this insolence.
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I've finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum and... Anyway, when I heard that the Rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! I've been fighting rebels for years. Let me help you wipe them out.
Ah, my, strange fan wants to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
It's going to Sargasso. I have to get there first.
We're coming with you.
Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him.
Wait! If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go. I've heard of a monk looking for Lombaxes on Savali. I wonder if Ratchet found him yet. We are not letting the Emperor destroy my home. The Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
Furious.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
Hey, you done picking on the little guys?
Lombax, you shall suffer with him.
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean, you.
Hello! Don't keep your distance, friend!
All of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator.
No need to be so rushed. This will be your last.
All enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
For now. Let's go talk to Mort and find out what's going on.
Rivet, you are just the best! Aw, Rivet.
sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the secret and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off.
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, Kit. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Oh, that's Maynard, the Mortz's helper bot. He'll lead us to the Seekerpede.
Attention, Sargasso. Emperor sends his warmest greetings, with a subtle hint of condescending derision. Especially to Rivet.
Tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself! Right. Or not. Either way. The Emperor's not just going after the Morts. He's taking out all life on the planet. Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
Rivet! It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. Put a lot of thought into it. I hope you don't mind I watch from a distance. I'm exhausted from eliminating your allies.
Yeah, keep laughing. We'll see how you feel when we free the Seekerpede. Threatening me over holograms. Classy.
Conservation, loyal subjects.
Surprise! Let's keep after Maynard.
What about Lombax is that makes them so persistent.
Her counterpart is even more annoying, believe me.
What do you hope to do? Release that ramshackle Seekerpede? How great your mind must be.
Just you wait, Lambert. And our big expansive plan in store for Sargasso.
Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise.
Emperor is sending more troopers through those rifts. That is the last of it. Let's keep following Maynard toward that Seekerpede. So many ships. The Emperor's being very thorough. It'll be okay. We'll free the Seekerpede and the fight will start going our way. It will.
Indiscriminate extermination! My favorite!
Majigger. Here we come.
So, when I was with Clank, he...
It is just like what...
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mush, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battlecruiser, but that hurl shot should get us closer.
I will make this shot count. Ladder bomb incoming!
How do we sink this thing?
Maybe there's a way to damage its power source.
Good thinking. Let's look around.
You there, Ribbit? We locked on the kid's signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
What a show! Let's make things a little more interesting, shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructo beams.
Planetary devastation! Finally!
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Ribbit, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
We can try. I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
Oh, a cruiser's been destroyed. I'm devastated. Whatever will I do? I know. Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Shields? Ah, it just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Rudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
Let's see how their shields hold up against one of these.
Take that, Emperor Nefarious! Nice kick. Let's keep it up.
Listen at bombs now? I grow tired of waiting. All cruisers increase beam strength to 120%. I want Sargasso broken.
Oh, jeez. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Ribbit. We are all counting on you two.
Trifle thinks she can stop us. Concentrate all power on the planet. Destroy it all.
Exterminate all of those flying creatures, too.
Obliterate them!
Rivet, the battlecruiser's destructo beam is moments away from breaching the planet's core. You must stop it.
We'll stop it together. Come on, Trudy.
You did it.
We did it.
Oh, there they are! Hey! Rivet and Kit! Rivet and Kit!
All right. You're welcome.
Mort, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight. Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rips, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out. Let's get to Zerky's. Maybe Ratchet and Clank have some good news.
To Rivet! A friend to Morgan all!
Bet Ratchet's got everything handled right now.
Is it just me? Or are there more of those things now?
I fear the dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Well, the sooner we find Pierre, the sooner we can get to fixing all of this. Somehow.
We will find a way. Like always.
Oh, what a tune! In unrelated news, our dome must be closed today for a private event. The execution of Pierre Lafaire! All trespassers shall be shot and or stabbed on sight. And remember Article 4 of the Pirate Code. Never blow up your own bloomin' ship.
Of course, our only lead to finding Captain Quantum is about to be executed.
Perhaps someone else can tell us where he is.
Whoa.
So fast, ye meddling trespasser!
And I'll never go swimming again.
Now! That ship had to go boom on Molonoth! One could even say it destroyed itself!
Oh, bubbles!
If anyone wanted to save moi, now would be...
Intruders? You can't stop the swift arm of justice, you...
What are you two doing here?
I'm not hurt. We're rescuing you?
Not that I'm complaining, but, why?
We need your help to speak to Captain Quantum. He's in grave...
Now swing me onto the dock and get me away! Oh, I feel a blackout coming! Quickly! Use the boat crane to get me over the dock! Normally I would not have enemies, but you did save my life, and I am Pierre Lefebvre, gentleman extraordinaire! If you want an audience with Captain Quantum, you must complete the pirate trials.
What are those?
A tradition as old as Grom, and how all pirates earn their colors. Head to Skull Mountain. If you complete the trials there, you will find the captain. That is not the way to Skull Mountain, but this is a pirate passport. To the bargain.
Don't let us left!
Hold on. Is grog made out of...
I think this Speedle might appreciate getting out of here.
Please don't crash! Please don't crash! There aren't any brakes, are there? So you've ridden one of these Speedles before, right, Clank?
If one can call hanging on for dear life riding.
Guess it remembers us!
And is following us?
Something's not right about all this.
Welcome to the pirate trials! Now who will be swashbuckling with us today?
What?
Ahoy there! What? Your trial awaits!
The pirate trials are a theme park?
Cool.
Think your pikes are ready for a shift-day shuffling shanty?
Oh no.
Aye, that be the spirit! Listen to our shanty carefully and shoot the pirates in order to sing it back.
Me hearties, sing shanties. On!
Listen to our shanty carefully and shoot the pirates in order to sing it back.
Me hearties.
Yeah, guess we should do that.
So, you think yourself a pirate, eh? Think again! For now ye face your greatest trial yet. The terror of Boku Bay. The destroyer of Moon 34B. The inspiration behind every midnight tale, every shape in the shadows.